In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity scheduling into your WordPress site. This is a great way to streamline appointment scheduling directly from your website, providing a seamless user experience for both you and your clients. No more back-and-forth emails or missed calls, just an efficient, integrated solution right on your site. First, let's start by logging into your Acuity scheduling account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, head to the Integrations section. It's usually found in the main menu or settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options to explore. What we're interested in today is the WordPress integration, so go ahead and select that. In this integration section, you'll see that Acuity provides an embed code. This embed code is crucial because it's what you'll actually be placing into your WordPress site. Click on the button that allows you to copy this embed code to your clipboard. It's a simple click, but make sure that it copies correctly. Now, let's switch over to your WordPress dashboard. Log in if you haven't already. Once inside, locate the page or post where you'd like Acuity scheduling to appear. This could be your contact page, a dedicated booking page, or wherever you find it most suitable for visitors to schedule appointments with ease. Click on Edit for the chosen page. If you're using the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg, you'll need to add a new block. Look for the option to add a custom HTML block. This is where the magic happens, as this block will allow you to paste the embed code you copied from Acuity. In the custom HTML block, paste the embed code. Be sure it's accurate and that there aren't any extra spaces or missing characters. This will ensure the scheduling tool displays correctly on your site. After pasting the code, feel free to preview the page by clicking Preview in the top right corner of the editor. This step is crucial to confirm everything is displayed just the way you want. If you're happy with how the Acuity scheduler looks and functions, go ahead and publish your changes. But before doing that, it's always a good idea to do a final review. Double-check the placement and make sure the widget is functional. You can even test it by trying to schedule an appointment yourself to guarantee it's working perfectly and as expected. Finally, it's all about ensuring your users have a smooth experience. Make any adjustments if needed and don't hesitate to revisit the Acuity settings in case you want to tweak how the scheduler appears or functions. And there you have it, your WordPress site now offers seamless scheduling with Acuity scheduling integrated right in. It's a surefire way to enhance accessibility and efficiency for both you and your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!